Well, it's been a couple of months since I put in the warranty request for my Warn EVO. They just sent me a new remote, so hopefully someone else has gotten theirs. So that's in the box. Let's see. Or do they want me to take this out first? Alright. So let's see. Looks like you got a manual. Looks like what the new remote looks like. Looks about the same as the old one. Oh, but look at that. So it looks like it's the exact same remote, but it's missing the button up here. That was the wireless button. So clicks fine, everything looks about the same as the old one, but no more wireless, I guess. Didn't even come with an extra cable. That's alright. Yeah. Alright. Well. Kinda sucks because you pay for a wireless remote, but hopefully they come with the wireless one, or come out with the new wireless one at some point. Excited to grab. So this is the old one, or sorry, this is the new one. And for reference, this is the old one. So a little different. Buttons actually feel a little different. Kind of surprised me. A little more clicky on this side. This one's got that wireless mode. And right there it's telling you, throw that away, it's no good no more. So yeah. Interesting. Same shape and everything. Oh. Same plug. Yep, same plug. Well, I guess I'll throw this one. Keep it in the truck. I'll keep my wireless one. I actually waterproofed my wireless one, but I haven't used it. I haven't used it with batteries since I waterproofed it. But I don't know. Peace of mind, I guess. Well, I decided to do a quick test to make sure it works. As you can see, the little LED is on. See, yeah, you see it's on. So works just like the old one does. So guess that's that. Have to be wired forever now, but I guess that's better than it randomly coming on when I'm not expecting it.